purpose. What is the purpose of civil service? Purpose, like India is a welfare state, yeah? Welfare state है? अरे constitution makes us welfare state. Yes or no? And आज भी 80% people are getting, PDS benefits, welfare. Prime Minister साहब also proudly announced 80 करोड़ लोगों को इतना, है ना, 20 करोड़ farmers को इतना पैसा दिया. Yes or no? We are still a welfare state. तो welfare के लिए you must be, humanist, a good humanist actually. You must be oriented towards human welfare. Yes or no? Right? तो चाहे जिस भी क्लास से आप आते हैं, mostly from middle classes, and these days majority of students are from urban areas, isn't it? But you have to provide services and you have to do welfare of the people majorly dwelling in rural areas. So if you and your personality is not sensitized, if you do not, give human touch to your answers, you cannot get good score. So you should not limit yourself to the book's content. Rather, you should try to reach to the ground reality. Yes, na? It is very important to go beyond books and notes. Suppose you are writing like essay, poverty anywhere causes problem everywhere. Previous year का essay है. तो poverty anywhere causes problem everywhere. Yes ना? तो आपको समझना होगा ना? Right? Poverty के dimensions. Yes ना? केवल economic dimension से नहीं हो सकता ना? Getting a point or not? Right? You will have to understand कि how pauperization of women causing problem for mass of the women, domestication of women, violence against women is problem or not? And that is everywhere from India to Afghanistan. आज भी slavery index में India, 4th, 5th पे रहता है. और जब index देखेंगे तो पता चलेगा कि domestication of women is also included, right? Preparing that index. जो last report है government का, hardly 16 to 17% women in India are engaged in non-agricultural activities. बोले तो majority of women are domesticated, irrespective of religion, irrespective of caste, irrespective of class. Isn't it? Middle class women are also doubly burdened. Even if middle class women are participating in work organization, contributing to work organization, burden of taking care of households. Yes, this is the fact actually. This is the fact. Yes, na?